Hello students, in previous part we have discussed about the mouth of the cockroach. Mouth in cockroach. Mouth in cockroach is known as hypognathus. Hypognathus. This is because the head is perpendicular present at the body, and this head is mouth is present just laterally to the head, so it is known as hypognathus. A mouth consists different parts: the upper lips, which is known as labrum. A wide upper lips is present in the mouth. This is the labrum. Lower lips, which is known as labium. Lower lips also the wider part, which contains a groove-like structures. And as well as it contains segmented labial pulp. The lower lips is known as labium. This is the labium, and it also consists some extended portion. This is known as labial pulp, and it contains bristle-like structures, just hair-like structures. You can see that bristle-like structures also consist. It is the upper lips, which is known as labrum. Upper lips and lower lips help in the engulfing of the food particles, which is known as labium. This is the lower lips, and as well as it contains labial pulp, which help to engulf the food particles. Just below the upper lips, two triangular shape structures are present. Those are called kinetus teeth. This is the kinetus teeth, which is known as mandible. Chitinous teeth. In the mouth, as the food is engulfing by the cockroach, these chitinous teeth help into crushing the food particles. This one pair of, and just below the mandibles, again another structure which help to hold the food particles, that is known as maxillae. And it also consists a extendable segmented particles of 5 segments. And these also contains bristle-like structures. This is the maxilla, and these extended structure which is present just upon the maxilla is known as maxillae pulp. maxillary pulp. One more side, both side maxilla is present in pairs. One is towards the left and one is towards the right. So upper lips, which is known as labrum, just below the upper lips, the two chitinous teeth are present, which is known as mandible. The chitinous teeth help into crushing the food particles. And then the maxilla, a pair of maxilla present both sides, one towards the left and one towards the right. This maxilla help into hold the food particles. And the lower lips, which is known as labia, with the help of labia and labial pulp, they help to engulf the food particles. As well as it contains a tongue-like structure, which is known as hypopharynx. It is a tongue-like structures. This is called, this act as tongue, and tongue in cockroach is known as hypopharynx. And just near to the tongue, an attachment gland is present. This gland is known as a salivary gland. This salivary gland secretes the salivary amylase or salivary juice, which help into secretion of the saliva. This is the mouth structure which is present in cockroach. And one more structure that is present in cockroach is leg. In cockroach, legs are segmented. Legs arrangement in cockroach. We know that there are three pairs of legs present in the cockroach, which arise from each segments of the thoracic cavity. One pair from the prothoracis, second pair from the mesothoracis, and third pair from the metathoracis. These legs are present segmented. How the legs are present? One is from the a triangular structure that is called coxa, which attached to a large portion known as femur. This is the femur. And then a large structure known as tibia. And there are 5 arrangements just attached to each other, 4 and 5. These 5 attachments are known as tarsal. And after the tarsal, there are 2 appendages arises. These are known as claw. Means उनमें पंजे का काम करता है. Just between the claw there is a granular structure present. This granular structure help into adhesion. Means कॉकरोच को चिपकने का जो प्रॉपर्टी है वो प्रोवाइड कौन कराती है? adhesion glands. So these are the leg segments. Means first which attach to the thoracic cavity, that is known as a triangular segment, that is known as coxa. Then femur to large segment, that is known as tibia. And after the tibia there are 5 constricted segments are enclosed with each other, that is known as tarsal. Just below the tarsal there are 2 appendages which is known as claw. In between the claws there is a granular structure which act in cockroach to the adhesion. Means adhesive property provide karane काम कौन करती है? This granular structure which present between the claw. These are the 2 other parts which are the different parts in the cockroach. One more thing we have forgotten that Comparison between the male and female, just we have seen that after the 10th segment, or you can say that in the 10th segments in male and female is this one like structures. This is the 10th segment, 9th, 8th, and this one is the 7th segment. One pair of dorsally appendages present in the both type of cockroach, and this is the Bristol like structure also. This is the segmented, you can see that this is the segmented structure which arise to the 10th segments toward the dorsal side. This is known as anal cerci. This anal cerci is present both male and female. ये मेल और फीमेल दोनों में प्रेजेंट होती है. कौन से? 10th सेगमेंट से राइज होते हैं. एंड डोर्सली यू कैन से दैट टर्गम साइड. These are the common, but in male another one pair of appendages arises towards the ventral side from the 9th segments. Means just this one the 10th segments, 9th segments, 8th, and this is the 7th segment. Male के अंदर ventrally means lower side में एनल सेसाई तो प्रेजेंट है, डोर्सली प्रेजेंट है, लेकिन मेल में एक मोर डिफरेंस है जो कि फीमेल में नहीं होता. वो 9th सेगमेंट से वन पेयर टू एक्सटेंडेड appendages also present. This is towards the ventral side, or you can say that sternum side in male, and arises from 9th segments. These appendages present only in male, which is known as anal style. This is present, this pair means anal cerci present इसमें 10 सेगमेंट से राइज होती है. तो मेल में ये डिफरेंस है कि मेल में यहां पर लास्ट में आपको 2 पेयर्स इस प्रकार के स्ट्रक्चर शो होते हैं. वन फॉर एनल cerci विच इज कॉमन फॉर द मेल एंड फीमेल, बट इन मेल towards the ventral side 2 appendages also arises from the 9th segment, which makes the different from the female. That appendage is known as anal style. These anal style present only in male, which are very sensitive towards the touch के प्रति very excitation and sensitiveness provide कराती है. Clear? This is the all whole morphology structure present in the cockroach.